Hi everyone, I'm Michael here from my Sweet Luck, and I'm here with the Lean Startup by Eric Ries Summary Part 2 Steer, Chapter 5 Leap. So let's get started. How vision leads to steering. Customer interaction with products leads to feedback and data. Build product, measure data, learn ideas. How Facebook was able to raise so much of money when the actual usage was so small. The amount of time users spent on Facebook and the rate it has taken over college campuses. Strategy is based on assumptions. Test the assumptions as quickly as possible. Build an organization that can test assumptions systematically and perform the rigorous testing without losing sight of the company's overall vision. Analogs and antilogs. Walkman solved critical question of whether people would use earphone to listen to songs in public, which is analog, and Steve Jobs took leap of faith that people would pay for music, which is an inspiration from Napster, who was an antilog. Beyond the right place at the right time. Successful entrepreneurs had the foresight, tools to discover which parts of their plan is working and which were misguided, and adapt their strategies accordingly. Value and growth. Identify if a product or service is value creating or value destroying. Genchi Genbutsu, translated as "go and see for yourself," a term used by Toyota in lean manufacturing extensively. Do not simply rely on reports. Get out of the building. Startups need extensive contact with potential customers to understand them and get to know them. Conversations with the mainstream customers will yield a fundamental insight. Design and the customer archetype. Goal of early contact is to clarify that we understand our potential customers and what kind of problems they have. With that, can craft a customer archetype, an essential guide for product development. Analysis paralysis. Some entrepreneurs can't wait and start immediately without analyzing their strategy. Others fall into analysis paralysis, endlessly refining their plans. A minimum viable product can help entrepreneurs to know when to stop analyzing and start building. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Thanks a lot for comments, and I will see you on the next chapter. The next chapter would be chapter 6, which is about testing your idea with the minimum viable product. So catch you soon. Wish my sweet luck.